So here's another expression that we are supposed to find the value of x, and our expression is 1 divided by x to the power 2 over 3 is equal to 4. So the first thing that you have to do right here is to do a cross multiplication, and we know that 4 is 4 divided by 1. We just don't write 4 over 1 because any number divided by 1 is that number. So x to the power 2 divided by 3 is going to be multiplied with 4, and then 1 is going to be multiplied with 1, and in the end we are going to have 1 is equal to 4 multiplied by x to the power 2 divided by 3. And the next thing that I would like to do is to have to isolate x to the power 2 over 3 and 4. So what I'm going to do is to divide both sides by 4 and this side by 4. So this 4 is going to cancel with this, and then we are going to be left with 1 over 4 is equal to x to the power 2 over 3. So if you look at the initial expression and this expression, it seems as if we just wrote the reciprocal of whatever we had, because this was 4 over 1 and here we've got 1 over 4. This was initially 1 over x to the power 2 over 3. So this is now x to the power 2 over 3 divided by 1. So basically, if you are used now to this step that I'm encircling, you can just skip this step and then just write the reciprocal or the inverse of whatever we have on the left hand side and whatever we have on the right hand side. So instead of this, instead of doing the cross multiplication and then dividing, you could have just wrote this as a numerator and this as a denominator, and you do the same on the right hand side, this as a denominator and this as a numerator. So our expression was going to be x to the power 2 over 3 over 1, but we don't write over 1 because any number divided by 1 is that number, is equal to 1 over 4. If you look at this step and also this step, they are the same thing. So in this step, I want to get rid of this exponent so that I can be left with just x on the left hand side, on the right hand side. So in order for us to get rid of this exponent, we just have to multiply this with a reciprocal of this exponent. So this is going to be multiplied by 3 over 2. We just flip the original exponent in such a way that the numerator now becomes a denominator and the denominator becomes a numerator. So this 2 is going to be multiplied with 3, and we are going to get 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is still going to give us 6, and in the end we are going to have 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So our expression on the right hand side is going to be x to the power of 1, which is basically equal to x. Now since we have multiplied the right hand side with the reciprocal of the original expression, we have to do the same to the left hand side. So here we are going to have this expression multiplied or raised to the power of 3 divided by 2. So our next expression is going to be 1 divided by 4 all to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to x. 1 to the power 3 over 2 is going to give us 1, and then over 4 to the power 3 over 2. So this is going to be 4 to the power 3 over 2. This is going to be equal to x. And to simplify the denominator, we're going to say 1, this one, over, and we know that 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2, and this 2 is going to be multiplied with the exponent of 3 over 2. So this is 2 over 1. 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 6. 1 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in the end, in the denominator, we're going to have 2 to the power of 3. So this is going to be 2 to the power of 3 is equal to x. And then we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So this is going to be equal to x. And therefore, our x will be equal to 1 over 8. And this is our final answer. Thanks for watching.